Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we are going to solve some problems related to pizza store, and this will be the first part. So let's get started. So guys, we have four tables. First one is order details. Now we will check what is inside this table. We have four columns: order detail ID, order ID, pizza ID, and quantity. Okay. After that, we will check the second table. The second table is orders. Let's check. In orders, we have order ID, date, and time. Now third table, pizza types. Okay, in this we have pizza type ID, name, category, and ingredients. Okay, this is pizza types. Now the fourth table we have pizzas. Okay, let's see what is inside this. We have pizza ID, pizza type, size, and price. Now we have to solve some questions. Let's see one by one how we can get the answers. Retrieve the total number of orders. For that, you can see we have a unique order IDs. We can count these IDs. We will get the total number of orders. For that, we can write the query select count. Now I will use all from orders. So we have 21,350 rows, means this much orders we have got right now. So we can comment out it. The total orders are 21350. Now the second question is calculate the total revenue generated from pizza sales. So I want to tell you, we have this pizzas table. Now we have price here, and in order details table we have quantity. Okay, we will multiply both the columns using joins, and our key will be pizza ID. You can see we have pizza ID in this table also, order ID, order details table, and we have pizza ID in pizzas table. Okay, so you can understand we can use these two tables in joins. For that, select sum of quantity. Quantity is in order detail table, order details dot quantity into we can use this price column, pizzas dot price from pizzas, join. We have to join order details table, order details on. We have same column pizza ID. Okay, we will join using pizza ID. Order details pizza ID is equal to pizzas dot pizza ID. Okay, that is correct. We have to execute it. So you got the answer 817860. This is the answer 817860.50. This is the total amount. Identify the highest priced pizza. Okay, for that we have to check the pizzas table. In pizzas table we have prices. Now we can make this column in descending manner, this price. Okay, so we will get the answer which one is the highest priced pizza. Order by price, descending. Can you see we have Greek double XL pizza is the highest priced pizza. Okay, so you got the third answer. You can use Greek double XL answer. We got the third answer. Now what is fourth? Identify the most common pizza size ordered. Okay, we can get this easily. For this fourth question, I will use the order details table and this pizzas table. Okay, now I will fetch size column from pizzas table and the sum of quantity column from the order details column, order details table. Okay, from order details join pizzas dot pizza id equals to order details dot pizza id. Group by, here we need to use group by pizza dot size. Now let's see. So the L size is the answer because we have maximum quantities ordered is from L size. Okay, so this is the answer. So the answer is L. So it is enough for today. Some more questions we will solve in next video. Okay, so take care. Thank you.